recently got back from my trip to Aruba. It's now snowing, but let's not talk about that. So I want to share with you some of my packing mistakes and then some successes as well, so that you have an idea of what to bring on your trip. Aruba is a very casual, friendly, fun place. So I thought we'll go out in the evenings to eat once in a while. I'm going to bring my favorite makeup. It clogged my pores. I got very sweaty in 85-degree weather, and this particular kind of makeup that I brought was no good. No bueno. So go ahead and look for something that's really good in the heat, or don't wear it at all. Maybe wear a moisturizer instead with some SPF on your face. Speaking of sunscreen, I also brought the wrong kind. This lotion became really glumpy and clumpy and watery on my skin in the heat and sweat. So I recommend buying the kind that you can actually spray that's more liquid form, because that seems to work better, and just spend the extra $2 and get that kind because it's easier. Bring lots of swimming suits. I recommend 2 to 3 because you're going to be in and out of them. We're going to have one drying. You're going to want one that's clean, that's not wet and disgusting from the ocean. So consider bringing, I would say, 2 to 3. I should have brought more cotton dresses and clothes, but instead I brought silky stuff because I thought it would be nice. Now, again, silk and sweat does not do so well. So stick with the cotton type of clothing as you decide to pack, and leave that synthetic blendy kind of stuff at home. I would bring a couple pairs of flip-flops. You don't need your high heels. I know you might like them, but it's a really casual beach kind of a place. So just having 2 pairs of flip-flops honestly is probably all you need to pack. So I brought a nice sun hat, lovely, but if you go on a sailboat or something like that, it's gonna fly away in the sun. And that's not okay. So you want to bring a baseball cap or something that's not only gonna shield your head from the sun, but it's also gonna stick on your head. So you want it to be a tight fit, because otherwise it's gone in the sun and the wind and all that sort of stuff. Other than that, I say it's a fun, lovely paradise. Bring whatever the heck you're comfortable with. Don't worry about what anybody thinks. Be yourself, have fun, pack what you want, but make sure you have the sunscreen, the hat, the flip-flops, no makeup, and swimming suits, and you're good. That's it. Have fun, enjoy your vacation. And I would love to know how it was. Leave me a comment below, and I'll see you next time.